creation of positive and negative spaces in textile designing. In textile designs, foreground and background interact with each other at different levels and in different ways. Let us look at some examples of work in textile designs and paintings. Applique. In this technique, a piece of fabric is applied, stitched, or attached on the surface of another piece of fabric, which serves as the base for the given design. For example, let us apply a red fabric in the shape of a bird on green base fabric. Here, red is going to be the positive or the foreground and the green fabric the negative or the background. Other bird motifs could also be placed on the green background. It will be important to note what shape the space takes between two motifs. The negative space then starts to interact with the positive foreground. Reverse. There is another technique called reverse. It might prove to be more meaningful in our understanding of positive and negative space. Let us take an example of a green leaf on a beige background. Snips will be made on the folded leaf and it is then placed on the base beige fabric. While applying the green leaf, the snips will also be folded back to show the base fabric, giving a texture to the leaf. It is very clear how, in this design, the background and the foreground both become part of the design. Let us see some more examples. Take a print design on the different overlapping flowers. These flowers are rendered in pixelation technique with dots. The outline and dotting are all in a single color black. The rest of the design, the background and the flower parts, which are not rendered in pixelation, remain white in color. So, it is a strong artwork in just black and white. Here also the white background beautifully interacts with the positive design in black, making the positive and the negative both important to the look of the design. This design can also be created by just painting the background in black and all the overlapping areas in a shade of grey. The design or the positive space here remains black in white and the painted background helps in lifting the design. Resist printing. Another technique we can talk about is resist printing. This can be done by blocks or by screen. This is a form of printing where the design is printed with a special paste of mud and glue, such that when the fabric is printed and dyed in a color, the areas where the mud paste was applied remains in the base color and does not pick up any color applied on it. Once finished, these designs present a great surface of interacting positive and negative space. These are just a few examples. In all aspects of textile designs across techniques, be it weaving, printing, embroideries, patchwork, applique, etc., interaction between positive and negative can be seen.